Hi, Cook Me. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. If this is your first time, you're welcome, and if you're a returning subscriber, I love you. Today we are cooking pasta, but let's start by prepping our veggies. I have the three bell peppers, the green bell pepper, yellow bell pepper, and red bell pepper. These peppers they are very sweet. They are not spicy like red abonaro pepper and the likes. Remove the seed and dice it or slice it into your desired shape. But because we are cooking spaghetti, we're cooking pasta, we're going to use this shape, this straight shape, as if I'm shredding beef. Exactly, that's what we're using. I've added water into my pot. Now I'm adding salt. Once it boils a little bit, I'm going to add my pasta. Please don't break your pasta. Don't break your spaghetti. I don't even know, is it pasta or spaghetti? Don't break your spaghetti because eventually, when you start cooking it, it will still, break all by itself by the time you start stirring it and all the likes. So let's start by shredding our carrots. This is perfect for what we are cooking. Afterwards, I slice my onions. Now let's fry our chicken. I'll be using drumstick for this recipe. I marinated it off the camera. Now I'm taking off the chicken from the fire. It's fully cooked now. I reduce the oil before frying my onions. While my onions is frying, I decided to add this sausage just to cook it a little bit. It has cooked, it has fried, so I took it out. Now I proceed with my pepper mix to fry it very well. I started by adding my curry, thyme, added water. I allowed the pepper to fry with the water before adding my cooked pasta. Incorporate the pepper and the spaghetti together. Incorporate everything. Mix it very well. Add your sausage and proceed to add your pepper and your carrots. Look at those colors. Mix it very well. Mix it very well. Let the carrots and the bell pepper and every other thing to mix up very well. Let it simmer for about 1 or 2 minutes and our food is ready.